I'm going to talk to you today about Ceramic Pro Leather. This product is for true untreated leather. We have two other products, Strong and Ceramic Pro 9H, that can also go on your treated leathers. I'm going to bring you over here, and I have a piece of true leather that's already 50-50 with a tape so I can demonstrate to you how the product works. So you're going to take the product and you're going to put it on your sponge. This is a microfiber sponge, and you're going to coat it. It takes 24 hours to cure and about 30 minutes to dry. So once it's cured, I'll show you exactly what it does. It's going to be still malleable. It's creating a sacrificial layer, so the contaminants aren't going to get on the leather. Instead, it's going to repel. So we'll come back to that. So now it's been a full 24 hours. That's given our leather piece enough time to cure. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate to you exactly what our product does when it's being protected by Ceramic Pro Leather. I'm going to show you exactly how it's going to protect against those gene transfers, those stains, anything that might get onto your leather seats of your vehicle or your couches at home. A good way to demonstrate that is with a Sharpie marker. So I'm going to go ahead and put a mark on the coated side of this piece of leather. And I'm going to just take a microfiber here, and I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to wipe off. So you can see it's very easy to get that stain right off that piece of leather versus the non-coated side. I'm going to make the same type of mark, and you can see that this product is not going to be coming off quite as easily. So with Ceramic Pro Leather on your couches, your car seats, any type of leather, your handbags, it's going to definitely protect against those genes transfers, maybe lipstick stains, minor spills, anything like that that might contaminate your leather.